Today's lesson is on the nitrogen cycle. All living things, including plants and animals, need nitrogen to make proteins, which are basic building blocks for their lives. We're going to read this together. All living things, including plants and animals, need nitrogen to make proteins, which are basic building blocks for their lives. Nitrogen gas is always present in the air, but most living things cannot use the gas directly from the air. Nitrogen has to be combined with other elements to make compounds in order to be used by these living plants and animals. The compounds are called nitrates and nitrites. Lightning creates a combination of nitrogen and oxygen, which falls to the ground as weak nitric acid. Plants take in nitrates, and animals eat the plants that contain these nitrates. When dead plants and animals die and decay, they release these nitrogen compounds back into the soil. Special bacteria convert the compounds so they are again used by plants. The plants are then eaten by animals in a continuing cycle of use and reuse. Okay, and here is a diagram showing you the nitrogen cycle. I want you to look at that. And then I want you to put these 7 things in order. You put the number in the rectangle here from 1 to 7. So I'll help you with the first couple ones. Number 1 is nitrogen is in the air. Number 2 is lightning combines nitrogen and oxygen to form nitric acid. And number 3 is this nitric acid falls to the ground in the rain. Number 4, bacteria and plant roots convert nitric acid to nitrates. And then I'm going to let you finish the last 3, okay? And then here is how is nitrogen recycled. It's a diagram showing the nitrogen cycle. Begin at the cow and trace the arrows as you describe what is happening in your own words. So you can do that and leave it in a discussion. I'll have a discussion question for you to put that in your own words. Okay, and I want you to read this. And there's a couple questions for you to answer. Actually, more than a couple, there's 5. So number 1 is, what nitrogen compounds can bacteria make? Number 2, where do plants get nitrates from? Number 3, how does the cow rely on plants? Number 4, how does nitrogen leave an animal's body? Number 5, what organism turns nitrates back into nitrogen gas? If you like my channel, please subscribe.